Ready?
Nope.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Enough is enough!
I'm trying to give you your documents. You have to leave.
Nick it off, Carl. It's a grass vacuum cleaner. Dad does this every weekend. I said knock it off. You look retarded out here doing this.
It's eating my poop treats, Albert. I made these treats for me, and this thing is eating them all.
No.
Yeah, happy, yeah. Now what is that?
No. Stop. You're gonna wake the kids up. Stop.
Good morning, sir. It's your 11 a.m. wake-up call. Get up, fool. Get up. Okay, I'll just pee in your shoe. When Mom won't take you to the carnival, bring the carnival to you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know about this new plant. It smells like ass and is growling. I think your dog is broken, my good man. Not everyone can afford a new blender.
Potato, how did you get your head? Potato, how did you get your head through our curtain?
Touch me again, and you'll find out if the bat that bit me had rabies. When your dog was raised by a prison escape artist. He's guilty of something. The guilt of the crime has invaded his dreams. This is why your breath smells like boom boom. Now stick this in your mouth.
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was
Sorry,
it?
I'm
Yeah.
late for a conference call. Gotta go.
Come here. Come here. Nice.
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month or no?
I refuse to sit like a commoner. To the gazebo we go. I hear King Charles fancies a good gazebo sitting.
Yeah.
He may have the size of Wee Man, but he has the courage and gumption of Johnny Knoxville. Let's just hope his testicles are in better shape. Not only does this have water in it, but it smells delightful.
So yummy.
You're freaking me out, man. I knew those brownies were laced with something.
Raekwon, my name is Bria.
I'm sorry, you lost me after you said my name.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels. 100,000 minus...
A gummy. Great, now I'm tripping balls. This is on you, Travis.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working. No, I'm working. I'm working. No. No.
Hey, Christy, check it out. This dog loses his ever-loving mind, just like Zero does after eating peanut butter. Did YouTube just type what I said? I knew the government was. You're welcome, Dad. I know how much you hate insulation. Good Lord, is that a Star Wars creature? Good thing I'm invisible now.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
I'm not sure if I enjoy this or hate this. I'll give you one more hour before I make up my mind. Where's my mojito, Gina? You're ruining 65-degree day, Gina.